Is this a urinal? Could it be? Today I made a urinal in my van. It's made from a large funnel obtained from my local Home Depot. That's attached to a section of vinyl tubing. And then that in turn goes down into a gas can. I used a gas can just because of the shape I wanted to fit in the area of my van where I was going to put this. I then drove a screw into the hole that was nicely at the top of the funnel, and there I have it, a urinal. I keep a wadded up piece of paper towel in the top, and so far I have not smelled any smells coming out of this, so I'll let you know if I do smell anything one day, but for all intents and purposes it seems to be working perfectly. I asked ChatGPT how I could disguise this urinal and asked for an image of some way to do that. It asked me to upload this picture. It then sent me this picture back, which had me on the floor laughing because, mostly because of look at where the vinyl tubing comes out and goes down to the tank. Anyways, I haven't decided if I'm going to do this to mine yet.